Believe it or not, by the very end of this short and simple tutorial, you will actually be able to play the following beautiful song on the piano, even if you have absolutely never touched a piano keyboard before in your entire life. Or maybe even a little bit faster. I know, right now, this probably feels impossible to you, but we're going to break everything down into small, easy steps so you can definitely master it. And by the way, if you want a little extra help getting started, or if you're new to my channel, check out the video description below. You'll find my free piano crash course for beginners there. I highly recommend it to all beginners. It's the best way to get started. It's best if you pause the video for a moment, grab it, and then come back so you don't forget, and then we'll get started right away. So I'm looking forward to seeing ya. Okay, let's get started. Look, this is the middle of my piano, and that should also be the middle of your piano. So if you look roughly where the middle of your piano is, the two black keys, then go to the left one, and then to the white key on the left. Exactly, that's the middle note. Careful, from there, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes. That's the G. We're going to start on this G with your thumb. So, and pay attention, the very first thing we play, the first section, are the neighboring notes G, A, B, C. You could also say G, A, B, C. Depending on which country you're in, this note is called either H or B. So these notes make up the first section, and you should repeat this 10, 20, 30, 40 times now. Let's do this together a few times and try to keep it as even as possible. Careful, let me show you how you shouldn't do it. Not like this, okay? Instead, play one note nicely after the other. And by the way, they sound best if you play them here with your fingertip, like you're holding an apple in your hand. So place your hand like this, then thumb, index finger, middle finger, pinky. What often happens at the beginning is that these fingers stick out like this. That's completely normal. It'll get better over time. So not today, okay? But in the next days, weeks, and months. That's totally normal. Everything still feels a bit unstable. Another thing that often happens is that this finger bends like this. Try to keep it as straight as possible, and we'll practice the whole thing together a few more times. Once again, nice and slow. And one more time. Okay, great. So you can pause the video and do it a few more times on your own. Now comes the second main section, and this time it's going down. So it's almost the same notes. We're going to start this off with the ring finger placed right on C, then move to the middle finger, followed by the index finger, and then we will play twice on the A note. To be clear, those are the specific notes C, B, A, and A. Or, if it helps you remember, you can also just call them C, B, A, A. All right, let's try to do this together a few times now to get the rhythm down. All right, pay attention. If you can do this, you can really be proud of yourself. You can pause the video and practice that a few more times. By the way, I definitely recommend repeating this, even if you think, yeah, I already know how to do this. Yeah, the thing is, it's gonna get a bit more difficult later when we add the left hand. That's why it's important that you can really do this well. And you'll get really good by repeating this 30 or 40 times. You can even repeat it 100 times. It only takes a few minutes. All right. Once you've done that, let's put these first two main sections together. I'm going to go ahead and play this track for you just once. Did you see how patiently I'm doing this? By the way, that's really important. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger. Careful, stay there for a bit. A short pause, lift up. Then again, ring finger, middle finger, and twice the index finger. Those are the two main sections together. All right, let's do that together a few times now. Once more. And one more time. Okay, great. So feel free to pause the video and repeat it a lot more times. It's definitely worth it, I promise you. So congratulations if you've made it this far. It gets even better. And we'll continue with the third section. First, I'll play through what we have so far quickly. Yeah, if you want, you can try it quickly already, but it's better to start slowly. Attention, for the third section, which we're starting now, the finger moves here to this note. We're staying on the A, but this time the thumb plays. Yeah, that's how we ended, and now the thumb starts, goes here, and that's where we begin. And then, we are going to play these three specific notes steadily going up the scale, and your middle finger plays that same note twice in a row. So thumb, index finger, middle finger, and middle finger again. This is the third main section. The sequence is A, B, C, C, which is also frequently referred to as A-B. So let's take a moment to repeat that together quite a few times, and I would really highly recommend that you take the time to practice it on your own even more often than we are doing right now to ensure you master it. Yeah, my observation is that piano students who don't just go through this quickly, but actually pause the video and repeat it 10 or 20 times on their own, are the ones who handle things much better later on when it gets more difficult. So that's why my recommendation is to pause the video now and repeat this main section a few more times. Yes, even if you already know it by heart, repeating it is so that it gets burned into your brain, so it becomes second nature. And then you could also do it faster. Okay, attention, now comes the fourth main section, and your hand stays just as it is. The pinky plays. That's tough because it's weak. The ring finger's tough too. Middle finger, and then ring finger again. It's completely normal for your fingers to stick together and stick out like this. That's just how it is at the beginning, yeah. So, and these are the notes. E, D, C, D. One more time. So, and repeat that part especially often, but it's also really important to shake out your hand and loosen it up in between, because especially at the beginning, you tend to tense up or cramp easily. What I really like to do is shake out my hand. Sometimes I even stand up and shake out my whole arm. Yeah, even lift my whole shoulder and so on. So, and then you can try it again. We'll do it together 2 more times. Nice and slow and evenly. All right, I need you to pay very close attention to this next part. What we are going to do together right now is this. Once you have finished repeating that fourth section several times on your own, we will then proceed to play both the third and the fourth sections together, just one time through. And that's this part here. Okay, watch out. Thumb, index finger, middle finger twice. That was a third one. We'll stay here for a bit. Release. Little finger, ring finger, middle finger, ring finger. All right, we'll do this several times. Careful, please don't play too fast. Also, pay attention to the pause. It's intentionally that long, okay? That's really important for the song, too. Watch out. Here, on this note, I mean. 3, 4, and... Let's do that again now. Watch out. Let's do it one more time. Okay, great. Pay attention. Those would be the third and fourth main sections. Take your time with it. Pause the video. If it's going well, let's try playing all 4 sections together. So I'll play it for you once. That is absolutely great. If you can play that section already, you should be incredibly very proud of yourself. I am going to do it a couple more times through for you now, playing it for you at a bit of a faster tempo so you can hear how it sounds. And then after that, we will move right along to the next part with the left hand. Just watch out. Thumb. Little finger. I am going to go ahead and play this specific piece of music at a significantly more rapid and energetic tempo for you right now so that you can hear exactly how it sounds when we increase the overall pace and speed of the performance. All right, all set. So if you've managed that, you can be very, very proud of yourself. We'll continue with the left hand in the next part, which I'll show you here. We'll keep going just like this with these small and simple pieces, and then you'll definitely be able to do it. If you don't have it yet, quickly grab my free piano crash course. I'll link it for you below in the video description. I'm glad you're here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next part, either later today or maybe tomorrow or the next day. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. Glad you're here.